In the heart of Devil and Dove, a unique fusion of traditional craftsmanship and modern technology thrives. It's a place where intricate jewelry making intertwines with the precision of 3D printing, giving birth to unique pieces steeped in personal narratives. Today, we delve into the intricacies of preparing 3D print files, a crucial element in our creation process that echoes our commitment to overcoming personal and health challenges. 3D print file preparation forms a pillar of our craft, a meticulous process that starts with the selection of the right CAD software to design and export our creations. The quality of your STL files is paramount, directly influencing the detail and accuracy of your final print. It's a delicate balance, understanding the interplay between high resolution for detailed designs and the limitations of your printer's capabilities. The export settings, like caudal and angular tolerance, are equally significant. These settings determine how closely your printed piece will mirror the original design, impacting the smoothness and overall integrity of the final product. By optimizing these settings, we ensure each piece we create meets our high standards of quality and craftsmanship. The backbone of 3D printing lies within STL files, an acronym for stereolithography. Despite its simplicity, allowing for efficient printing processes, it comes with certain limitations, such as the lack of color and texture detail. However, its compatibility across various software platforms makes it an invaluable asset for us. Choosing software that supports STL files, from CAD applications to mesh editing tools and slicer software, is crucial. These tools enable us to refine our designs, ensuring they're not only aesthetically pleasing, but also structurally sound and true to our artistic vision. Output. Every piece we create at Devil and Dove is a testament to our journey, showcasing resilience and creativity in the face of adversity. Your support enables us to continue pursuing our passion, bringing unique jewelry pieces into the world. Embark on a journey of artistry and overcoming obstacles with us by visiting our website at www.devilanddove.com or our online store, www.devilanddove.online, to explore our creations. Each piece is a reflection of the dedication and perseverance behind Devil and Dove, and by supporting us, you become a part of our extended family. As we navigate our path, we remain committed to sharing our knowledge and experiences, hoping to inspire and support others facing similar challenges. Stay tuned for more insights and stories from Devil and Dove, where every piece of jewelry and every 3D print tells a story of strength, determination, and the unyielding power of creativity.